Hello friends. During the last week, Nifty started with a gap up and managed to reclaim 14950 mark on the first day itself. As everything looked rosy, it seemed the Nifty is about to break above the recent congestion pace. However, the global markets looked a bit shaky and started correcting from their recent highs. This had a rub-off effect on our markets, which dragged index lower to eventually end below the 14,700 mark. Our market still remains directionless, and going ahead, we need to see how markets react around the key levels in the first half of this week. As far as support levels are concerned, 14,540 followed by 14,400 are to be seen as key levels. And on the flip side, 14,750, 14,830 are to be seen as key hurdles. If we have to regain strength, then Nifty needs to go beyond 14,830 first. We advise traders to keep a tab on the mentioned levels and meanwhile continue with stock specific approach. Further, it's advisable to stay light and avoid aggressive bets till the time global volatility subsides. For this week, we have a recommendation on ITC. The overall price action in the period of November 20 to earlier part of February this year has been excellent for this stock. But since then, we have been witnessing a complete lull in this stock. After experiencing some correction from recent highs, the stock went into consolidation mode and spent some time around its cluster of key moving averages. On Friday, we unexpectedly witnessed a surge in prices along with sizable volume, and going ahead, we sense this upward momentum is likely to continue. Hence, we recommend a buy on ITC on a minor dip towards 209207 for a target of 222 in coming days. The strict stop loss can be placed below 202. Thank you.